it's Blake from Blakebook, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a side of a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And there's actually a really cool trick. So if you turn, turn it down or any other way, they're actually two of the same color next to each other. So if I turned it this way, it has the yellows together, and I actually just solved this white. But I'm going to show you how to solve it, and it's pretty easy, but this is my method. So I'm just going to show you what to do. So what you got to do is right on your Rubik's Cube, you got to get 1, 2, 3 right here. 1, 2, 3, okay. So you got to get 1, 2, 3 in the color you want. So I'm going with white. So I got 1, 2, 3. You have to get another white that's in the spot you want it, here, 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 or right here on the bottom. In this case, mine's right here. So there's 3 simple steps to this one. So watch. Down, over, up. I solved it. So I'm going to show you another way how to do it. Okay, that other one I just did was 3 steps. If you get it right here, it's going to be 3 steps. But if you get it right here, I'm choosing yellow now. If you get it right here, it's 19 steps. So ready? You just keep doing down, over, up, sideways. You keep doing down, over, up, sideways, and then you just keep doing it until you solve it. So down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. So if you counted all that, it is 19. I've counted, and I'm going to show you a different way of how to solving a side. So I just solved yellow and blue combined it. So let me show you another way from the bottom. Okay, so you go down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. So I'm going to do that again. Okay. But this time I'm going to do the 19 step one. Down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. I solved it. That's what it looks like. I solved green. So, if you have a 2x2 Rubik's Cube or a 3x3, you can use this method. I haven't tried it on a 3x3, but probably will. If it doesn't, I'll make a video saying sorry because it didn't work. But from the bottom, I'm pretty sure this one is 7 steps. Down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. So, yeah. I'm going to try counting that now. Instead of... Okay, now... Let's see. Okay. This one's 3 steps. Down, over, up. Solved it. Let's see. If I can get a better color. Okay, here we go. Now it's under, so I'll see if it's 7 steps. Okay, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. Not sure. It's probably 7. I counted before, but so I just solved yellow and I solved green. So yeah. If you have a different kind of Rubik's Cube, I'm not sure if this method will work, but you can obviously try to do it, but it may not work. So don't count on me on everything. But hope you like this video. So okay, this is 7 steps. I'm gonna count down. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, I'll just try. Alright, I'm gonna go get a piece of paper. Okay, I'm back with a piece of paper and I have magic pen where if you write something down, nobody can see it, but then you have to use this light that flashes. Look, it's pretty bright, but yeah. So I'm gonna count them down right after I do a step. So let's see how much this is. Down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, and up. And that's how you solve it. Let's see how much there is. Okay, so that one is 10 steps. This is what this said, but I'm not sure if it's right or not. But here, I'm gonna write my name down. See if you can see it. I wrote it kind of sloppy, but oh well. It's kind of hard to see it, but B-L-A-K-E. It's kind of hard to see, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, there is 10 on that one. Let's see if there's any other ways for us to do this. Okay. Okay, this is the 19 step one. Go really fast for this. And if you ask, I'm not doing time lapse. Okay, I just solved that. It's pretty easy. Definitely buy them. They're really cool. This is the 3-stepped one if it has it right here, and then that's the thing. So you down, over, up. So I'll demonstrate this again. What you gotta do is you gotta get 1, 2, 3. So I'll pick orange. So you gotta find the colors orange. See here. There we go, and there we go. Okay, so I got it on the bottom now, so it's gonna take 10 steps, I'm pretty sure. Down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. Okay, now I'm gonna go actually really slow so you can count them, see if I got it. See if I got them. Or like if it is 10. So I'm not sure if it's 10 or not, but leave in the comments down below after I do this if it is 10. Okay, but I just gotta get the color here. Okay, yeah, here we go. We'll do yellow. Okay, so down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up, sideways, down, over, up. Solved it, boom. Just got yellow and blue. That's how you do it. Okay, so that's how you do it. Leave in the comments down below how much that was. I am not sure, so please comment down below what that was. I'm pretty sure it's 10, but I may be wrong. So looks pretty good, but there's my name again. It's hard to see. I'm gonna go from like up here. It's hard to see since the light's so bright, but in person you'd see it. This is from a book fair, so yeah. Comment down below if you have a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you don't, get one because they're really cool, and use this you can use this method to help you, and it's pretty easy. Just down, over, up, sideways, and then yeah, so down, over, up, sideways. So use that method and it will really help with this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I'm not sure if it'll help for the other Rubik's Cubes, but thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.